Ocean in a Drop is not just a workshop, it is designed like a learning voyage. 30% of the learning happens in workshops, learning retreats, while 70% happens on the field where the voyager is working.
Having a vision and not having the methodology to reach up to that vision was the challenge that I was kind of facing largely.
The challenge is to get the young people to join our organization, this sector, and then once they join, to retain them, to help them to find their motivation and interest.
I wanted to discover more about myself so that when I go out and start working with the young people, I can be able to relate with them.
Now this space that we have tried to organize in this is to look at young people for their own needs and for their own sake. So youth for youth's sake and not youth for development. Trying to look at them and their own minds, the drop in their ocean, rather than look at the drop that they give into the ocean, but look at the ocean in their drop.
In Ocean in a Drop, we have 4 thematics which we think are important for every youth facilitator. One is youth development, then instruction design and facilitation skills, third is systems thinking, and finally deep self-awareness.
How to create spaces for young people where there is a culture of trust, where there is a culture where people can come and share, where they can have a sense of freedom and connect themselves with the larger world.
तो आज लगता है कि नहीं, युवाओं के साथ एक सही दृष्टिकोण की आवश्यकता है, उनको सही समय पे मार्गदर्शन देने की आवश्यकता है और एक प्लेटफॉर्म देने की आवश्यकता है जहां पर वो अपनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ को पहचाने और वो खुद काम करें.
So there's a whole range of challenges that people face, and these are challenges that they've been facing for a long time. And then I keep asking, why is this happening and why is this happening? But the reality is that life is not linear. So it's not that one cause leads to a certain effect, and then if I have an effect, if I deal with that cause, then the effect will go away.
The Tattva template really helped me identify how the whole structure works, and also the gaps that are there in the system that could be rectified.
I think that's what OID manages to do. Any person just come in and figure out how they can create interactive, meaningful processes and designs and sessions for young people, and in fact for any person and any group that they are working with.
To work with youth is an excuse that yes, that is our work and that is the area where we work in. But उसी बहाने हम अपने खुद के adventure में जा रहे हैं. We are going into our own journeys of life.
What are the kind of fears that I have? What are the kind of issues that I face and challenges that I face as a youth facilitator? So a large part of the design actually goes into looking deeper at yourself and your own conditioning.
किसी तरीके से ऊपर पहुंच जाओ, फिर उसके बाद नीचे आओ, नीचे भी आ जाओ.
And so the journey is not only a professional journey, it's a personal journey.
The biggest thing that I took away from this place was a complete transformation of myself. It gave me tools to become a better person, a better facilitator.
मैं कुछ गढ़ना चाहता हूँ और ये लर्निंग के द्वारा ही शायद मैं गढ़ पाऊँगा. शायद समय ज़रूर लगेगा, मगर एक दिन मैं उसे बना लूँगा. कभी ये